Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can import products from AliExpress to your big Cartel store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my big Cartel dashboard. So if you just create a new store, you're gonna be right here, and they're gonna tell you to follow these steps in order to get started. So this is the checklist. So all you need to do, guys, is follow these steps in order to get started very easily. So the first step is verify your location and currency, add a product, explore shipping profiles, connect the payments processor, design your shop, and launch your shop. So if you guys want to add products from AliExpress, all you need to do, guys, is go right here. You're gonna find all of the sections. Here's the dashboard, orders, products, discount, and lastly account. So go ahead and click on products, and then right here you're gonna find the two options: either add a product or import products. So if you click on import products, from here, you can import a product from your PC. And if you want to add a new product, go ahead and click on this. And then you're going to be right here. And now you should fill this form with the informations about the product. Right here, you can add a new image and fill this form with the product name. For example, t-shirt. Right here, you can add a description in order to describe your products. So for example, I'm going to type black t-shirt. And right here in categories, if you click on this little plus, you can add the products to a category. Right here, you can set the status to either active, hidden, sold out, or coming soon. And you can continue with filling the form. Once you finish, go ahead and click on save, and then the changes will be saved. So this is how you can add products from AliExpress. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.